Okay, we're moving on to the next section of notes. You have a document in Google Classroom that's called Global Wind Belts. And there are some questions on there that you're going to answer about this picture. Came straight out of your book. But first I'm going to move down to this section of notes. It goes right under your jet stream notes. First of all, please add this note to the jet stream notes. Letter C, the jet stream flows from west to east. We're going to break it apart into two types of winds. First, the local winds. Not going to spend a whole lot of time on local winds, but the definition is that local winds are caused by unequal heating of the Earth's surface within a small area. Okay, so the definition would be what you would put on A, caused by unequal heating of this Earth's surface over a small area. And letter B would be that they blow over short distances. All right, there are two types of local winds. There are sea breeze and then there are land breeze. Next, then you have on a larger scale global winds. Global winds are winds that blow steadily from specific directions over long distances. That's your letter A. So winds that blow steadily from specific directions over long distances. They also are created by an unequal heating of the Earth's atmosphere. Of the Earth's surface. They're created by unequal heating of the Earth's surface, and they occur over a large area. So local winds, small area, global winds, large area. And then you're getting into the global wind belts, and that's what you're looking at this picture up here. These are the global wind belts. Here, these cycles are your convection current cycles, where you have the warm, heated air expanding and rising and the cooler, denser air flowing in underneath, and it creates these convection currents. You also have these winds that are curving toward the left, and one of your questions here is, why do the winds, which are the trade winds and the easterly winds and the westerlies, curve to the left instead of just going north-south? Why don't they just flow north-south? Then I want to know the doldrums, okay? These are the doldrums. They are calm areas of wind where warm air rises. So that's the up cycle of your convection current. And then the horse latitudes are calm areas of falling air. That's the down cycle of your convection currents. Well, the word doldrums is actually a word you can use in many contexts. It has a specific meaning. I want you to go and find the meaning of the word doldrum. Define it here, and then use it correctly in a sentence, not having to do with winds. I want to know a meaning or a use of the word doldrum that does not have to do with air currents. Next, you're going to look at the horse latitudes, the calm areas of falling air. Why are they called horse latitudes? There's a story behind that, and it's actually kind of a depressing reason. So look up why they're called horse latitudes. And finally, you have trade winds. They blow from the horse latitudes to the equator. Well, why are they called trade winds? Where did that name come from? So I want you to go and find those answers and fill them into the boxes here. We just did the local winds notes section, and we did the global winds notes section. The global winds occur over a long area created by unequal heating of the Earth's surface, and winds that blow steadily from specific directions over long distances. That was global winds. Well, you've got now the global wind belts. The pattern of calm areas and wind belts around the Earth, so there's your large area, produced by the Coriolis effect and other factors. What would be the two calm areas? So looking up at this picture, the two calm areas go here, and then the other three are called major global wind belts. So fill in the blanks using the image above and this video, and please don't forget to put that letter C in your jet stream notes. You can copy and paste this all onto the other document if you want to, or you can continue writing it down. Totally your choice. Okay, thank you.